What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, if I was ever to recommend a cryptocurrency to anybody, there's a lot of ones that I could say, hey, you can make money from this, or you could see a potential gain from that, or anything of that nature, right? But I think the one position that I would recommend to anybody is going to be XRP. And the reason is for the unknown, for the fight, for the potential, for the use case. Honestly, there's so many reasons behind this cryptocurrency that kind of um, gives you kind of an all-in-one explanation to why they should own it. And I think anybody should have at least some XRP in their portfolio, whether it's, having a boatload or going all in or having a very small amount, you should have some because it is a play that has a lot of speculation, a lot of uncertainty, and it has the most fight to it. So I want to talk about why XRP is going to be my forever cryptocurrency, right? I will hold XRP forever. Will I hold 80,000 forever? No, but will I hold XRP forever? Absolutely. There's not a doubt in my mind that I will hold this position for a very long time. And as it becomes more popular and more significant, you see the more reason to hold it, just like it is a collectible in a way. But guys, let's talk about this. I want to go through XRP, show you where the market is today as well, give you a little bit of an update. I know I really haven't done much today. My ankle really has been killing me. That really doesn't, stop me from recording videos, but it stops me from coming down the steps. If you don't know, I have a high ankle sprain because I played basketball over the weekend and didn't really go too well the last game. Just to kind of, I don't know, toot my own horn a little bit. We were 6 for 6 on games, and then the last game, I jumped to try and block somebody and stepped on their foot. So my ankle is a little bit shaky right now, but I'm trying to make it downstairs as best as I can. Today was a little bit difficult, so I'm glad that I got the videos in that I did. But let's talk about XRP. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out my Patreon, support me on Patreon, feel free to do so. You can find all of my, collections. I have a collection on leverage trading. And speaking of leverage trading, if you want to sign up for Margex, I have a link for Margex down below where you can sign up and, you can start trading at up to 100x leverage, 50x leverage, 5x leverage. You can trade as little as $1 if you wanted to. I can literally go in there and trade $1 right now if I wanted to at a 5x leverage, and I'll be trading with $5 while only risking $1. If you don't know about leverage trading or understand it, again, I have collections over on Patreon where you can get a full breakdown of the mental side of it as well as the physical side of it. So let's go ahead and talk about XRP, right? If I had to recommend any cryptocurrency that's out there, you can say, oh, the safest thing to recommend is Bitcoin. However, Bitcoin is at a very high price. It doesn't mean that it's not going to go higher. It's just $70,000 is a lot. It's a lot for someone to own. No wonder why you go into the stock market, and if you have something that's like $2,000 or $3,000, they do a split, right? Because they want to lower that price to give the average consumer the ability to gather one or hold one. Because if something's worth $3,000, $5,000, $7,000, $10,000, it's going to be difficult for the normal person to buy one of that, and they're just going to go for something else that's not at that price point, right? Just make it more desirable. But you can't do that with cryptocurrency unless you had some sort of a migration or you had the ability to add coins in a way, mint coins and all of that stuff there. But that would also decrease the price value of what it is. Now, when it comes to other plays, right? You have Ethereum, that's a safe play. You have BNB, it's safe play. Solana, but I honestly think that XRP should be in everyone's portfolio. Because when I look at XRP and I understand what's happening with XRP, they have a case going on that's been going on for 4 years now, for the SEC versus Ripple. Ripple is the parent company of XRP. It's not XRP itself. XRP, if something happened to Ripple and they got sued for $45 trillion and they went bankrupt, XRP would still be here. Whatever is owned by Ripple would be taken over, but we're talking about XRP in general. It would have a long life, it would have a long standing life, and you would be able to utilize XRP in the future. So there's no problem with that in the connection of the business. But you still have that connection there where Ripple has big plans for XRP, their payment systems, banking, currency in general, utilizing this currency for payments or anything like that, right? They have so many different ideas and, belief for the future. So XRP has all of this, and it has that case that's like kind of over its head, like a cloud or a rainstorm that's over its head. And once it clears, it's nothing but sunshine, rainbows, unicorns, and butterflies, where we see the potential of where this can go and how it could be used. But right now, it's being held back by this one thing. And typically, when you see the government really push to fight something like this, right, it means that it's going to have a significant impact to the world, not just crypto, but the world. And being able to see that kind of in my vision, right, I'm looking at it and I'm like, this is a clear sign that this is the most important cryptocurrency in the cryptocurrency market. It doesn't matter if you're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. It doesn't matter what you're talking about. XRP is the most important cryptocurrency right now and for the future of crypto. This is the reason why if we go into my portfolio, right, we look at where XRP is, we go into my portfolio, I have $42,855.99. That's no small amount, right? That's more than what I've had in the crypto market in the beginning, right? I was sitting around 60,000 for a long period of time, then pushed down to 40,000, and now I'm just holding 42,000 in XRP alone while also having money elsewhere. XRP, you would think, oh, you probably rose to that, right? You gathered so much while it was at a low point. If we look at my portfolio and we look at the top ones that I have, yes, it is my top cryptocurrency. I have 80,000, but I'm only up $914 at the moment. That means that I gathered all of this around this price that we are at. The average buy price is 52 cents. 52 and a half cents. So you know that I'm buying right now, and I believe that this has so much potential above where we currently are. So anybody that says, oh, well, you bought this way back when, no, I gathered this, throughout time, and I was able to gather 80,000. Honestly, I would love to have 100,000, but I don't want to put any more money into it right now. So with that being said, I plan on holding XRP forever because you don't know what XRP will be. While we look at XRP and see that of where it stands right now, we have to look at it for what the future could bring, what this could bring to cryptocurrency. And when I look at it and understand the speed, understand the efficiency, understand the security, understand the cost, and everything there, we know that this could be that. This could be the cryptocurrency that takes over every single transaction, the monetary system, the flow of banking, imports and exports, all of these things that we know has a massive amount of outflow and inflow of money, while also having people that hold this as a store of value in a way, and the growth that can happen with it. So there's so much that goes into this play, and that's why I'm so hype about XRP. Others may say to you, look, XRP is dead. If you wanted to throw maybe, and I never say this about any cryptocurrency, but if you wanted to throw, and buy 100 or 1,000 XRP and let that sit there, that would be sufficient enough for you to understand that or get some sort of an impact from XRP. There are some people that state that you only need 100 XRP in order to become insanely wealthy from XRP. 100, right? That's like $50, $53 at this point. 100 XRP. And that math might be wrong, but you would only need 100 XRP is what people are saying. I say you get like 1,000, put it to the side, let it be what it's going to be. Just like people that thought Bitcoin wasn't going to be anything, they put it to the side, and those people that put all of their Bitcoin to the side and came back to it eventually, they turn that into maybe even multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars or multiple millions of dollars, which is phenomenal. And I know how that can look when you see your value go up to a significant amount. You end up taking that profit, and good for you. Take the profit. For me, I'm definitely going to have some of this as a forever play. Not all 80,000 will be my forever play because I do have 42,000 invested. I want to get that initial investment back at some point, but then everything else as we see it grow will be gravy. I would love, and I believe that I'm going to become an XRP millionaire. Whether I'm going to get millions of dollars from other plays or not, but XRP will definitely be that play that does, put me over the top with 80,000 XRP that's there. But let me know what you think about this, right? Do you believe XRP is going to be a big banger? Do you think that it's going to run to levels of $10, $20, $30, $100, $1,000, $10,000. What do you think that XRP is going to get to? I always like to know everybody's opinion. I see all the negative ones. I see all the positive ones. I bring them together, and it doesn't change my mindset one bit, because the way that I believe is the way that I believe, and I think you should probably feel the same way. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, check out my link for Margex down below. I appreciate you guys for coming through and listening to me every single day. All of the subscribers, anybody that's new here, feel free to hit that subscribe button. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.